This is how you can turn off search suggestions on the iPhone. Let me guide you through it. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. And if you are new here and first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos and guides like this one. Anyways, whenever you go to some kind of like search on the home screen, you might see some suggestions, but these can be managed when you go to the settings app and from the menu select Siri right there. So when you click on Siri, you can see plenty of things which you can do. Like obviously it might also say Apple Intelligence in Siri, depends on your version and your phone, but you go through this and below you have a little section of toggles which is titled suggestions, and that is what we need to tweak or change based on our preferences. But you can see we have the suggest apps before searching, so that would be something which you might want to turn off. If I have that enabled, when I swipe it down to search for something on the home screen, I see a bunch of apps which the app or the phone thinks I might want to look up, so you can turn that off. Right? You can also see we have some show in-app library, so you can see you can as well just have more suggestions in that place. And also we have some listening suggestions or show when sharing, so sharing suggestions and so many other things which you probably want to turn off right here. So that is definitely something that you wanted to do. But then you can also come back to the search section, which is in my case just above the Siri in the settings. And in there, you can as well enable recent searches and show related content, which is also some kind of like suggestions when you are performing a search, right? So you can as well disable those toggles if you don't want to see that type of thing showing up. But that would be about it from me. I really hope I could help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.